Good morning, everybody. It is currently Wednesday. I have been working on these little things here. These here are brand new. They light up. Let me turn it on. I'll post some videos here on YouTube about them. I've been posting them on my Etsy. All three of these here are on Etsy. I have a cross. I also have a horseshoe. And these all light up. They're all ready to go for shipping and shit like that. I'm going to be posting some Second Amendment stuff. I'm going to be doing some AKs. And then I'm going to be doing this here, a bird one. If you guys do not follow me on Clapper, I definitely recommend it because I post like every single day there. I do have a Linktree of all my socials because I really don't feel like taking and filling up another page on my computer here. But I'm going to keep working hard. I'm going to hustle, get the word out about my brand. Well, I decided to keep it up. I know it's way too soon to start anything, but I mean, if anyone can do it, so can I. So, with that in the works, just share this and get it out to your friends and family. I know there's like a lot more cooler stuff out there, but for a beginner that didn't know that you could make shit happen off of social media, get the word out there because this here's my dream. It's gonna take a long time to achieve. I am down to make it work. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, that like button. And if you are currently subscribed and a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video and taking your time out and actually watching it. Happy fucking Friday, you guys. my truck, Patches, is having problems. Now, my truck is not computerized like most cars in the 2000s, like around 2019, like all the new trucks. The truck is a 2001, she's a rebuilt, and she's having idle problems. Like the idle's fucked. And if you don't have an idle on your truck, you ain't got a truck. If you don't have a truck, you can't go nowhere. So, guess what I get to do? I get to work on my truck today. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So, I don't really know what's wrong with it. So, I have to look it up and probably clean out my fucking engine today because she has seen better days. Hoping that this here is an easy fix. But as we're looking at it right now, I'm gonna put the truck underneath, or the phone underneath the truck, and so you guys can hear. It's a great fucking day. Okay, so the battery works great on her. She's fully charged and shit. Alternator works, all that kind of good stuff, right? Got batteries. Actually, the battery's kind of low, so I don't think she's supposed to be that low at all. But everything else works great. Let's try to start her. See, she just automatically dies. Okay, so she's running, but I don't want to take that chance to drive anywhere and be stuck. Alright, you guys, I got her to idle. She's doing okay. Afraid if I turn her off, I won't be able to get her back on. So here is how much battery you're supposed to have right there. Right there. Not all the way the fuck down here. Alright, I'm gonna turn her back off and then turn her back on. I'm scared. Dear Lord, Heavenly Baby Jesus, please let this work right. Damn, she died hella fast. Did you hear that? Nope, she's done. Alright, so I looked it up and it's spark plugs. So today we're gonna replace all of them. So on a GMC Sierra 2500, there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You guys can't even see that, but that's 8 right there. I'm also going to clean out the butterfly, as they call it. And that right there, inside of there, is like 2 things that flap, and that is what is called a butterfly. Now don't mind me, I don't have like all the names for all these parts and shit, but I know exactly like where they're at and things like that. This here I call like a hose tightener. Take this off, remove this. I didn't even know that that was cracked. And you gotta take this off. If you're lucky, you can just take this here off, but I'm gonna clean this today. Not take this off, okay, because then you're gonna have to take the alternator off, and then we're gonna have to take the belt off, and I don't want to go through all that fucking trouble. So yeah, that's my fucking day. Okay guys, so I am reviewing this video. Got the truck started, cleaned out the throttle body, cleaned out the little butterfly that's in there, got all that shit taken care of, and got her a new vent for the massive airflow sensor. I'm exhausted right now. But cleaned her out, put a gas cap on my truck because I have not had one on there for about a week. Probably the problem. Also, unplug everything that is inside of your truck because it will kill your battery. That's one thing that I learned a hard lesson on. Also, just clean up the throttle body, like I said. Some throttle body cleaner, obviously, for it at the auto parts store. And I took her to Michael's today to get some paint. She works just fine, started up just fine. She's an old truck, and this year is more of a vlog than anything. And for me, just watching this, it's there, but I've had a hell of a fucking week. But I thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video if you are still here. And I will see you guys on next Friday.